What's up, guys, gals? Gavin Carpenter, Jonquil Landscape coming to you. Wanted to connect with you guys today, doing a little something different than the norm. Got a smaller HOA they built not too long ago, about 2 years ago, and got some water issues. So I know everybody's different where they are in the country and stuff like that, but here where we're at in Atlanta, they're building like crazy, man. Building like crazy. They're knocking down all the older homes built back in the 50s, and you know, a lot of the older homes are built on third acre, half acre lots. So they'll go through about 2-3 homes, put 7-8 houses on it. So it's actually what they did here in this situation. They bought 2 lots, put down 4 homes, big retention pond. This is actually a community. We take care of the common area, which is really just big full grassed in area and a retention pond we clean up. But reason for this video today, guys, I want to talk to you about drainage. That's what we're doing. So I'll show you. That's how wide they are in between homes. I mean, we're talking maybe 12 feet tight, 12 feet in between homes. They put that Bermuda in. It never lasts with these high peaks like this. Never lasts. Same situation here. So what happens is you get these gutters, these downspouts over here, right there, and another one back there, and another one back there by my truck where the garage is, and then same on this side that I'm standing on, and it discharges all into the middle. Well, the builder actually did them a solid by putting in drainage pipe, right? But the drainage pipe itself, it's good. They put in PVC, right? Versus the corrugated 4-inch pipe, and they put in 4-inch 40 PVC. So they did a solid, but here's the problem. First, as you can see, the air conditioners just dump a ton of water, and then all the water that sits in here. So it's a big money man. I mean, you can see we do maintenance on this guy's yard. I mean, you can hear it, right? Nothing but water. So this is what's funny. So check this out. So like I said, they did a solid. They put everything in the ground. I just spent the last 2 hours diagnosing everything, right? So you can see connections. I'm just following it, right? Just following it. Got more connections on the water, more connections off of that drain there. And then, you know, everything runs out that way, right? So check this out. So this is funny. So they did a solid. They put everything in the ground so it helps. This is what they did with the air conditioner, right? So you got this air conditioner, right, coming off of the house. You can see they ran it this way next to that pipe, and then they put this 4-inch here, which really it was just catch drain. Let's see. That's all it was, right? That's what was there. Okay. Then they got, like I said, at least they tried and run the drain line for the air conditioner, which is right here, right? And then this is the discharge here, covered up. That's the discharge for that little 4-inch, right? So water was collected, right? Water was collecting there. So there's no plans on it, nothing. So I had to go through and spend 2 hours diagnosing how everything's routed, where it discharges. It discharges in the back in the retention pond. So this 4-inch pipe, they put in this after the fact. They put in a French drain in the back where it was wet, but then they also put this in. These Nimrods put it fucking uphill. And that's why they're standing water. You believe that? Fucking idiots. Pulled the string, line string, line level, pulled it out, pff, everything's going that way. Pipe discharge going that way. Fucking idiots. I swear to you. So we're gonna spend the rest of the couple hours now that I've got this discharge. My guys are out cutting grass, but we're gonna finish this up. This shouldn't take long. We'll reroute it, put it in a we're probably going to put in 3 boxes. I'm definitely going to put in, I mean, the only water that sits here is going to be what falls here, because everything else is in the ground. So there's no need for big 12 by 12. I'm going to get some 9 by 9 boxes. I'm going to trench right down the middle, right? So we have a low gully, and I'm going to make sure we have it graded right to these boxes. But I'm going to put probably one here. I'm definitely putting one in between the air conditioners. I'm probably going to put one right back there, because then it sweeps that way. So we'll put a little swale in the bottom and be done with it. So if you guys aren't familiar with drainage, it's a good money piece. You just got to kind of know what you're looking for. You got to know your grades, your drops, how everything's connected, because we've got both houses connected into these pipes. And obviously the PVC is more pricey, but it's the right way to go. It'll last a long time. The corrugated pipe, you can cut it, it can get compacted, it can get run over and smashed and have problems. So anyway, want to let you guys know this is what we're doing today. Working in the shade a little bit here. Spent the last 2 hours diagnosing how this thing runs around the house, make sure I had everything right and the way it's supposed to go. Yeah, see, you can see all my holes. I keep following pipes all the way around. So we'll get this done, have another satisfied customer, get back to doing what we do. So until next time, y'all be good. I'm out. See ya.